Hi guys, it's Kuji and today we're gonna change the grips on this amazing Duke 790. First thing first, we of course need the new grips. Then we're gonna also need air compressor or can of compressed air, as well as a razor blade and some alcohol to clean the surface but also make the mirrors slide in way more smooth. Another thing that many people use is the non-permanent glue, which I did not manage to get, so we're gonna just do the whole process without it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and let's get to it. Those are the new grips that I got. Another thing that people use instead of alcohol is the hairspray to slide in the mirrors more smooth, since they are pretty hard. First thing we want to do is remove the bar handle. In our case, it's gonna be just the mirrors. Now we're gonna do also the same thing on the other side. So that's when we're gonna need the razor blade. We're gonna cut this one, and since they are very old, they would be actually very possible to just slide them off, but I just want to show you the whole process. So we want to be extremely careful while cutting, since on the clutch side there's literally nothing below this gum thing. While here we have a little bit of protection, since it's a throttle. I had to actually change the razor blade because the previous one was not sharp enough to cut it. So I'm gonna start from here and I'm gonna go here. Very careful to not cut myself, not to destroy the bike. This side went pretty smoothly. Now we're gonna try to just remove it without cutting, since it should go pretty well, since those grips are very much old. So what I'm doing right now is just twisting and pulling the grips to take it off. God damn! I don't know if that would be easier. My hands are getting sweaty. I have the bike on the stand so that it's not really moving that much. Got it. Doing a little unboxing for you guys. Okay. Oh damn, they look so good. Look how clean they look. They still smell like the new thing you just bought. So these are the new ones. For comparison, this is the old one. These are just all used, smooth as hell, while these actually have the grips. It feels so nice. Now I'm gonna use the product that I got from one of my friends, actually, from Instagram. Very excited to use this product. It has a bit of alcohol, so we're gonna clean the surface and then try to put on the new grips. We have two sizes of these grips. The smaller one is for the clutch side and the bigger one is for the throttle. Let's put them on. Usually we would want to use their compressor on this side. However, I feel like it's gonna go pretty smoothly, so we're gonna try to do it without it. I'm gonna just push and twist, and see if it actually wants to come in. It doesn't. It doesn't. So I asked my boyfriend for help, since my bicep can do it. My man. Thank you for my man. Well, we did it. Nice. Pretty. Now I managed to put a bit of the throttle side, however it's way more thick and this is very tight, so I'm gonna ask my boyfriend for help. We're gonna try to put it in together. We tried also do it with the air compressor, however we do not have the outlet that would go actually underneath this and would keep this air flowing. So we just need to try to do it by our own. Also, as you can guys probably see, the throttle here is basically destroyed because of the previous times of changing the grips as well. So there's many like cuts and the whole throttle bar is just uneven, which makes it even harder to actually slide this thing in. We're gonna try, we're gonna see. So we are almost there. It's taking us really damn long. We're trying to pull it in together. There's last push left, and I think we're gonna be pretty much done with putting on the new grips. We managed to put the grips on. They look absolutely amazing. I'm very excited to test them out and try it with them finally. My hands won't be just slipping on the grips. The process wasn't that hard, to be honest. Mamma mia. So if you want to do it, just do it by yourself. You definitely got this. Maybe with some help actually, because there were some tough moments, especially for me. I did not have enough strength to just pull it in all by myself. But yeah, they are all done. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see ya.